Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to make this easy Buttercrunch toffee. What you need is 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of unsalted butter. While this is melting in medium temperature, place some crackers in a Pyrex. By the time you finish placing the crackers, the sugar and butter should be ready and it should look like this. Now place this mix on top of the crackers and spread it out. Then put it on the oven for 3 minutes and then you can place some chocolate chips on top of it. Once again, put this inside of the oven for 3 more minutes. When you take it out, you can spread the chocolate butter all over the place. Immediately place some nuts. In my case, I put hazelnuts and almonds. Then let it cool down for at least 1 hour. It should be very hard and at that point it's easy to break it down. And then this recipe is extremely easy, so I recommend you to do it. That's everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you wanna see more of these videos. See you soon. Bye!